And in the cedar tree that's here at the entrance, I had a squirrel that was chattering at me.
Oh, a second squirrel.
Yeah. The first one was coming up the tree. Well, he came up. Hi. Hi there. Or what? Okay, we have this bird in what we refer to as a lone tree. Maybe a turkey vulture, maybe something else, don't know until I see it on a bigger screen. Then over to the right, we have Coyote.
Ah.
Looks to be a young pup. And it's gone off out of view.
Down in the grass.
Yeah. Looked to be a coyote pup. Back with the bird on the lone tree. Oh, and I saw something. Thought I saw something over in this area, but maybe not. No, just vegetation. And they are over there. So just don't see the coyote pup at this time, but that's where it was. Hey, at the back of the park, Jay spotted the turkey vulture still on this lone tree. There. He's just sitting there. And he's over there. Okay, kitty cat's is eating breakfast. I did his kitty cat's video. Gone back to lone tree. Still has the turkey vulture perched on it with his back towards us. Let's see what else I see out there. Not much. I don't see that young coyote that was walking around. Okay. Okay, what do we have down here? Oh, we have a second turkey vulture. It's further down. This one up here that's been, there he is, perched for a while. And I just happened to be looking around and saw something dark here. Looks to be another turkey vulture right there. And it has moved. Interesting. No, dear, it's a turkey vulture. It just lifted its head.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay, on what we refer to as the lone tree, got 3 turkey vultures perched. Just sitting there. This is not far from where we saw young coyote on the hillside. And we've also been hearing turkeys. Oh, there's a 4th just came in.
Cool. It's a party. Hey, what about social distancing?
So I suspect that they anticipate that there's going to be some need for their cleanup services. We're still in Alviso Adobe Park. And Kathy handed me the camera to record because we're peering through apricot trees, plum trees, and above grapevines, and she's just a few inches too short to make it.
Okay, we're at the front entrance to the park again. Getting ready to leave, and just decided to see if those 3 turkey vultures are still on the lone tree on the hillside behind the park, and indeed they are right there. 2 kind of sitting next to each other, and the 3rd one is the original one that we saw on the lone tree is still off by himself to the left of the other 2. Maybe he's not a socializer. Or he's giving the 2 lovebirds room. Okie dokies.
No, don't stop.
Okay.
Go a little wide, please.
Uh-huh.
Now kind of go left towards the bare branch tree, but down low. To the left, okay. Now come in on that. Not sure what we've got there.
Uh-huh.
Something in a tree.
Yeah. I think it's a turkey vulture. It just bent over.
Things are moving, yeah.
Yeah, it's a turkey vulture. I'm seeing the white on tipped beak. Okay. And he is over there. Oops.
Somebody else just took off.
Yes. Darn it.
Yeah, they got something. We weren't really getting any action at the picnic table, but we looked up and saw just dozens and dozens of little birds flying around, possibly eating insects.
Jay's doing a video. His probably will come out better. Okay, yeah. I'm not gonna stay focused. Jay's doing a video. His probably will come out better because mine doesn't want to stay focused. We've got bunches of little birds, insect-eating birds, just flying around, doing their thing.
Maybe red tail, maybe not. It's another boat. And still in Alviso Adobe Park. Just a little bit to the north, got a pair of birds circling. Whoop, lost focus. Let's go out a bit.
Kettle for you, dear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still 6 that I've seen.
Well, they're not all showing up in frame, but we've got half a dozen turkey vultures starting to form a kettle. There's 2 there. 1 down there. There's a pair over there. Aerial ballet.
Yes, it is. It's beautiful to watch.
Very calming, passive display.